Let's make a family favorite, mango ref cake. First, crush the graham, then set aside. Slice your mango into cubes and set aside.
Puree some mango pieces and trimmings.
In a bowl, mix the crushed graham, butter, and sugar. Next, place the crushed graham mixture into a clear container and press down. Using a different bowl, pour NESTLÉ All Purpose Cream. Add in NESTLÉ Carnation Condensada, then whip until smooth. Assemble the mango float by pouring cream mixture on graham.
Top with mango puree and mango cubes.
Serve and enjoy! For more recipes, visit createwithnestle.ph.